Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Firefox. So let's get started. First method is to change Firefox settings. So first you need to open Firefox, then click on menu button in top right corner, then click on settings. Now you need to scroll down a little bit to website appearance, then click on dark mode. See, uh, browser turn into dark mode. Now for this method number 2, you need to install an add-on in Firefox. So go to the browser, open new tab. Now type dark reader Firefox. Now open the first link of Firefox add-ons, then click on add to Firefox to add the extension to the browser, and that's it. Now you can change the settings from this extension. It's dark mode, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.